Okay folks, here we have the HART Reciprocating Saw. Now I have to admit that I did not pay full price for this thing. For some reason it was mispriced at Walmart, who sells HART, for $13.50. So I said, for that price, can't hardly go wrong. So, already had the batteries. Let's give this thing a quick overview. Powerful cutting through variety of materials, quick blade changes with easy access lever. Let's see here, 20 volt, 3-year limited warranty. Turn it over here. Variable speed trigger with 0 to 3,000 strokes per minute, delivers greater control in a variety of materials. 7/8 inch stroke length, easy access blade storage, pivoting adjustable shoe for demolition cutting applications through wood, limbs, metal, and plastic. Works with all Hart 20 volt batteries. And the model number of this is HPRS01. Let's see. HP, I don't know if that's besides H is HART. P, I don't know. RS is reciprocating saw. Okay, what comes in the package? Put this aside. Here's the tool itself, and we have a owner's manual, and it only comes with one blade. That disappoints me, only coming with one blade, but $13.50, I can't hardly complain about it. If I paid $79 like normal price, wouldn't be too happy about it. Can't really tell how heavy it is by weight because I don't have a scale in front of me, but it's not too bad. It is heavy in the front. Rubber overmold plastic. Forward and reverse right here. No, this is, yeah, lock button and unlock button. Not forward and reverse. I misspoke there, didn't I? Okay. Let's see. This is where unlatch this to put the blade in. Let's do that real quick. Just pop that open. Put the blade in right there. There you go. That's all there is. This pivots to whatever job you're working on. There's plenty of air ventilation holes. Battery goes here. Lock, unlock, lock, unlock. 20 volt right here. Not a bad tool. Not a bad tool at all. Let me go get the battery, and I'm going to show you how loud this thing is. Not too bad for a reciprocating saw. A little bit more vibration than I like, but it is what it is. There we go. Just moves back and forth. Pretty comfortable. So, I cut up some limbs a couple of weeks ago and I videoed that, or I recorded that. So let's skip over to there and we'll be back with you in just a minute. There we go. You saw the limbs being cut. Right, I'm sitting right outside right now at a different location. And still happy with this thing. Take the battery out, just push this blue button and slide. Take the blade out, lift this up. Blade slides right out. Am I happy with this? I don't think you can go wrong with $13.50 without the battery. I know you can get discounts on batteries when they go on sale, or buy other tool packs, you can get some batteries, but I don't think I can go wrong with it. Of course, it's not as good as the heavier duty saws, such as DeWalt, Bosch. Let's see. I'm not going to say Milwaukee, because Hart and Ryobi and Milwaukee and some of the Rigid, Red Devil, they're all made by the same company, TTI. TTI or TII? I believe it's TTI. Anyway, Hart is sold by Walmart only. They're trying, well, they are in the tool market now. They're not trying to compete with the Home Depot. Just give the occasional user, not really the expert or professional, but if you're going to use this once every few months, it wouldn't be too bad to buy. Use it once every year, or just buy it to use it for one job. It's not going to last like the more expensive tools, but probably don't need one. If you got one of these, let me know how you like it, and if you don't like it. I do appreciate you watching.